Hey guys, it's Eric here at the Junkyard again. I'm making a series of videos here on cool cars that I find here. Here's one you don't see too often, GS300. It has got the ever popular inline 6 here, and these are really popular. They were also found in the Supras, and so people would slap a turbo on these things and they'd really go. But I'll be honest with you, working on these for a living back in the day, these were pretty fast, pretty cool cars as they were, and this one appears to be, I don't know when it was brought in. Looks like 324, so not that long ago, but it's mostly complete. You know, some interior stuff's been taken out of it. Looks like climate control, and you can see the seats have seat covers on them. The original's probably rusted out on there, or just rotted out, I should say. But nice. Back seat's fairly clean. Looks like somebody might have taken the fuel pump out of this one. You know, the other side there looks like they were working on the fuel pump. Seat bottom's gone. Oh, there's the seat bottom. Yeah, these were pretty cool cars. Not sure what brought it here. It doesn't look to be wrecked. Has some mix match rims on there. That one's pretty fancy. That's just something to tow it with. So maybe they blew the engine. The timing belt looked like it was still on it. Hard to say. Just the one rim. Huh. Anyway, that's a shorty, but you don't see too many of these out here, so figured I'd take a look at a Lexus while I could. Till next time, my friends, take care.